Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to see how to fix if the applications you have in your Android mobile phones are keep crashing or not opening or not working properly. In this video, let's fix this issue. First, on your Android mobile phone, click on settings. After that, click on the search icon at the top and type storage. Click on this storage option. Now as you can see, I have enough storage in my Android mobile phone. So your first step will be check your storage in your Android mobile phone. This is your first step, and if you don't have the sufficient space, in that case you have to delete some files and free up some space in your Android mobile phone. So this is your first step, check the storage. Now move on to the second step. If you are still getting the same issue, open settings. After that, click on this apps option. So this will show you all the applications you have in your system. Now if you are facing this issue with all the applications you have in your system, in that case click on these three dots, and here you will get this option, reset app preferences. Click on it and you can see the details here. So this will reset all the applications to the default mode, and this will not delete anything or any app data from your Android mobile phone. So just click on reset and this will reset all the applications without deleting any data or without deleting any application. But if you are facing issue with a particular application, in that case, let's suppose if this application is not working, click on the application you have. After that, scroll down and click on this storage option. Now you have to click on this option, clear cache. Now go back and restart your phone. So this will fix the issue. One more thing you can do is just reinstall that application. So first uninstall the application. After that, go to the Play Store and reinstall that application. In the most cases, this will fix the issue. Now move on to the second step. You can try to fix this issue. Just update your Android mobile phone. So go to settings. After that, click on software update and just update your operating system. So in the most cases, if you update your operating system, this will clear all the bugs and fix the applications issue you have. The final step you can try is just reset your Android mobile phone. So to reset your Android mobile phone, go to settings. After that, click on this search box and here you have to type reset. So if I type reset, click on reset, click on reset, and this is the option we are going to use, factory data reset. So this will reset your phone completely, and this will also delete all the applications and all the data you have in your phone. So make sure take the data backup if you have any important data in your phone. So this will reset your application, this will reset your phone completely and fix all kind of errors you have in your Android mobile phone. So this is your final method, the final step you can try to fix this issue. So these are the options you can try to fix this. This is all for the video. Thank you.